It's circle time! Let's start with our hello song. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Great job! Okay, let's sing our days of the week. Clap along. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Okay, let's do our months dance. Ready? January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December, 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Okay, time to count. Let's count slow today. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and today is 18. That's right. Great job, friends. Okay, get your circles ready. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play.